He did almost nothing.
I know. It's not fair. I don't know why we have to do group projects anyways.
Hi, come on in. So I understand that you wanted to talk about the group project that I handed back last week.
Yeah, it's about the marks we got.
Okay, well, let's see. You got a 75. Are you not happy with that grade?
No, it's not that. It's just we did all the work. Ryan basically did nothing.
Well, I can't tell from your project who contributed what.
We ended up writing the whole thing. The only thing that Ryan did was the references. He even messed up on that. We had to completely change the formatting, and there were a lot of mistakes.
Okay, so back up a minute. Didn't you divide up the assignment into equal parts so that everyone had an even amount to do?
Well, we tried that, but it's ridiculously hard to find time to meet, even just to plan stuff. We all have a full course load and work part-time.
Well, I mean, we did end up meeting up. It was kind of a waste of time.
Oh, and why was that?
Well, we weren't really sure what we were supposed to focus on, not just for the meeting, but for the project itself. And we weren't really sure what you were looking for.
Okay, well, you had the assignment, didn't you? I mean, it's been up on Blackboard for weeks.
I think what Emily means is that we weren't sure how each part of the project was going to be graded.
Really?
Plus, we weren't really sure how we could break it down to like manageable parts. And like Ryan was impossible to get a hold of. I texted him a million times and he never got back to me. We figured we'd just move on without him. What else could we do? It's not like he signed a contract or anything.
Look, I'm not saying I don't believe you, but I'm really only hearing your side of things, and I don't see how I can give Ryan a different grade or how I can raise yours. I really wish you'd come to me with this sooner.
But you said in class it was the group's responsibility to sort things out. We did try. It's not fair.
Well, it's too late to do anything about it now. Classes are over and finals are next week.
So that's it?
Yes, I'm afraid it is. See you at the exam next week.